Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Auto God DIY coming at you today with a big leap and a milestone in my 03 Ram 1500, rolling over 400,000 miles, original miles. Man, I am excited. So we're at 399,997. Man, that is what's up. The original AC works. I'm getting 14.3 miles per gallon with 400,000 miles. Ow! That's what's up. So here we go, man. We're at 399,999 miles. Man, we're about to roll it over. That is super sweet. I know them letters are flashing in that camera. That looks kind of terrible. There it is. Wow! 400,000 miles. Man, that's how you take care of your vehicles, y'all. This is Auto God DIY. Keep living that dream, doing your thing, and I'm rolling out.